Have you ever wondered how the decisions you make today can shape your tomorrow? This story might get you thinking. Picture two individuals, each granted a lush, fruitful vineyard by the universe itself. These vineyards were swathed in date palm trees with fields nestled between them. A river flowed unperturbed through these gardens, a testament to their bounty. The one who owned these fruitful vineyards was not only wealthy, but also held a high social standing. One day, amid casual conversation, he boasted to his friend about his wealth and strength. He strolled around his garden, his ego bloated with pride, oblivious of the injustice he was committing against his own soul. He boldly stated that he couldn't imagine his gardens ever being destroyed, and dismissed the idea of a day of reckoning. He even dared to say that if he were to return to his creator, he would find an even better reward waiting for him. His companion, hearing this, was taken aback. He questioned his friend's disbelief in the divine entity who had created him from dust, then a drop of fluid, and then shaped him into a man. He asserted his faith in the one true God, the Creator, and said that he would never associate anyone with his Lord. He questioned his friend's lack of acknowledgement of the divine will when he stepped into his garden. He asked why his friend didn't utter the phrase, "As God wills, there is no power but from God." He pointed out that though he might be less wealthy and have fewer children, it was possible that his Lord might grant him something better than his friend's garden. As fate would have it, disaster did strike, and the man's fruits were destroyed. He wrung his hands in despair over what he had spent on his garden, which now lay ruined, its vines overturned. He lamented, wishing he had never associated anyone with his Lord. He found himself standing alone, without a group to support him against the divine judgment. He couldn't save himself, nor could he seek retribution. This tale serves as a stark reminder that true sovereignty belongs only to the Creator, the best to reward and the best to dispense justice. So let this story be a reminder to us all. The decisions we make today, the values we uphold, and the faith we keep can have far-reaching consequences. Let us strive to be humble, grateful, and mindful of the divine will in all that we are blessed with. For in the end, the true power lies not in what we possess, but in the divine justice that governs us all.